Hi everybody, this is Linda and welcome back to Handsthatcook. Years ago, I ate at Outback and I ordered a tomato dressing. And it was so good. Well, that restaurant is no longer here. And I want to imitate that dressing. So I went online and I found one. And this is a quarter of a teaspoon of salt in here. I'm going to add 1 can of tomato soup. I hope this is it. It was so good. It was so light. And I thought maybe y'all would be looking for something light after the big holidays. I know I am. Alright, 1 can of tomato soup. There's still some in here that I want out. There we go. I've got this quart jar I'm putting this in. One can of tomato soup. A quarter of a cup of water. Two tablespoons of lemon juice. Two teaspoons of grated onion. And I just grated it on I'll show you, a rasp. Quarter of a teaspoon of mustard. Well, let's see if I can find something that'll accommodate this. There we go. Come on. That's got it. I've already got my quarter teaspoon of salt in there. And it says a generous dash of pepper. So there we go. Now I'm going to shake it all up. Oh, I hope this is the same dressing. I really do. It looks the same consistency. It was a light one. I found another one, but it had oil in it, and I'm pretty sure after all these years that it didn't have oil in it. Let me get my salad out. This is a salad that I got from from Olive Garden. So, and here's the rasp that I grated my onions on. So, let's see. It looks like it, y'all. Well, let's give it a whirl here. Yeah. It's very good. Let me taste it again. I'm pretty sure this is it. It is so good. Y'all gotta try it. Especially lightening up for after the holidays. And don't worry about catching the ingredients, because I'll put them in the show more section for you. I hope you tried it. It's good. So until next time, you all take care, and God bless every one of you.